Second grade, welcome to our read aloud for today. Remember, you can use this read aloud as your text. Just make sure to fill out your research notes sheet after or during this video. If you're wondering, how do I fill that out while I'm watching? That doesn't make sense. What you would do is you would take notes in your notebook, and then you could either transfer them onto the PDF, or you could just take a picture of your notes and upload it to Dojo. So let's get reading. Interview with Maya Adreani. Maya Adreani, marine biologist. We talked with Maya Adreani about coral reefs. Maya is a scientist who studies how fish grow, have babies, and move around. She says coral reefs are great places for her to do her work. Coral reefs are home to so many different types of fish that use the reefs in many different ways. Interviewer: why are coral reefs important? Before I continue reading, an interviewer is, if you do not already know, somebody who asks questions and gets answers from other people. So a good example of an interviewer is somebody on the news who has the microphone and is asking people on the street or whoever it might be questions. So the interviewer asks, why are coral reefs important? Maya: coral reefs are important for so many reasons. Quite simply, coral reefs are good for oceans and for the people who live near them. Many ocean plants and animals live around coral reefs. They include fish, sharks, lobsters, crabs, shrimp, and snails. The reefs provide food and a safe place for these animals to live and have babies. Without the reefs, many of these animals would die off. That's why scientists are studying changes in coral reefs. They want to know how they are affecting the animals that use them. They also want to figure out how people can help save coral reefs. Interviewer: how are coral reefs good for people and the environment? Maya: coral reefs provide food for people. Many of us enjoy seafood such as fish and lobster. Coral reefs also protect the land and people from storms. Some people like to explore coral reefs for pleasure. This brings in money for the people who live and work in areas around reefs. But perhaps most importantly, coral reefs help remove carbon dioxide, a gas that can cause problems for Earth. Wow, that is intense. Now, I know that coral reefs are probably super helpful for one specific natural disaster. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm thinking tsunamis. I bet you they protect the land from those huge, huge waves because right here it says that coral reefs also protect the land and people from storms. All right, so I am going to read the caption and then send you on your way to finish your assignment for today. Maya Adreani, marine biologist at St. Andrews State Park, Florida. Ooh, Florida's in the United States. Even close to the United States, there's coral reefs, which is cool and awesome and amazing. All right, second grade, your assignment, like the past few days, has been to fill out your research notes. So make sure you do that and submit it to our Google Classroom.